Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to showcase my it's like a no, it's not even a bot or Lavalink server. It's a Node.js application. Now, what's it about is it has two features. One thing, you can either run a Lavalink server or run a bot in which the Lavalink server stats are indicated, or you can run both. Now, it's pretty simple. I have also given an like readme so you can with read this and also run the bot. Anyways, I will be showing you how to run this bot. So I will just copy the link here and go to and create repo and import from GitHub, obviously, because whatever I do here, our people can replicate. So yeah, this link will be in my Discord server. You need to join. So this importing would take around 4 to 5 minutes. So you have to wait. Okay, so after 4 to 5 minutes, you would see this interface. Now you just have to go in config.js. Now you would see this. Now you're like, I will be showing how to do both. So you need to go on Discord developer site to get your uh, token, bot token. Yeah, yeah. And you will see this token. You can just copy it here and paste it. Okay, then you have to get the channel ID. Now I'll be showing these two tutorials. Yeah, I can show you this here. We will just go here, copy its channel ID and paste it here. Now we will set the refresh interval to something short so that um, I can showcase this. It took 10 which means 10 seconds. Now, yeah, then we have to go in application environment. Make sure the port is 443. That's how Replit works. If you change the port, it's it will work, but its quality will decrease. So the password you can set it to anything. I will just keep it visa2code. Okay, then after this, you just have to click on run and it will install all modules, and till then you have to first, if you want to run the both things the same, you first have to enable Lavalink. You have to wait for it to download Lavalink. Okay, so it should start the Lavalink. It would take around 3 to 4 minutes on the first launch. After that, it takes 1 minute or so. Okay, so after like 1 or 2 minutes, you would see this. You just have to copy this, go in the host. You can add infinite host here. Like this is an array. You can obviously add more stuff. And if you don't know how to, you can join my Discord server. I will help you. Okay, copy this and remove the HTTPS colon and backslash, two backslashes. We don't need that. And port is 443 and password, and keep it to secure equal to true, which means that the HTTPS is included. If, for example, you're hosting a Lavalink elsewhere and the link doesn't have an S, then you can change this to false. Okay. Now we will just enable the bot also. We will just keep it to true and stop it and rerun. Now, let's see. Starting Lavalink. The bot is ready. You can see here. Now we need to wait for it to connect to the Lavalink node. Green console log would be there if it will connect. Yes, as you can see, it's connected, and the Lavalink also acknowledges connection successfully established. Now you would go to the channel and you would see the Lavalink monitoring is here. Now the node is this, my rebel. It's connected, and the player is like 0 players, used players. Uptime is 90 seconds. How many cores it has, how many memories, system load, Lavalink load. Everything is detailed in here. Now, further questions: what if I stop it? And will it send another message here, or will it update the previous message. The question is simple. If I run it like this, it will automatically edit this message, but if I delete this, it will send another this message like this and do the thing. So it totally depends on this, and it's error free, and it's pretty much a good node application. If you like this, please, I request you to star the repo because it supports me and kind of like brings it to the top of Google searches. If you think this helped you, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you, everyone.